So today is my topic what's importance of English. English is a global language. Studying English can help you get a job and learning English can help you meet you new people. English is a most important for everyone life.
Good evening, respected sir, and one and all present here. I am Gunjan Singh, and today's my topic is the social media. As we all know, how the social media is important nowadays. Everyone is habitual of using social media, and there are many famous social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, and the Instagram. The Facebook and the Instagram are the most useful platform for the earning money for educated and the uneducated people both.
Honorable sir and on my dear friends, a nice evening all of you. I am Ekta Rathur from SPN. So today my topic is about education. We all know very well education is very necessary for everyone and mostly for students because students have their own targets so they have to be educated. I'm Akanksha Sharma. Today's my topic is mobile phone. Mobile phone is very useful device for us and we can operate a mobile phone and we call anyone in any time and any other places and we can watch anyone for mobile phone is very important for our entertainment purpose and we can save our data in mobile phones.
As we all know that social media is a earning platform by the uneducated and the educated people both, because a social media is also a very safest platform for the girls and the homemakers to represent their to represent their skills like cooking skills and the dancing skill by which they can earn money easily.
Today's English is spoken in every country. There are nation many languages in this world. People spoken many languages in this world, but English is the most important language in this world. English is a very useful present time. We all know very well education is a weapon, and if you use this weapon, so you can become a educated person, a successful person in your life. So if you want to be educated, then gain knowledge and become educated person. Mobile phone is also important for student life. We can we can operate a mobile to operate our social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. And we can mobile phone operate and
Social media has both advantage and the disadvantages, which is depend on our use, that how we can that how we are using our social media platforms nowadays. Nowadays the students are using in a very high level of using the social media, by which they can distract from their studies, and the children are also attracting from their studies. So we have to be very uh, we have to be very attention attentive towards the use of the social media.
English is the most important in our life. If you want to be educated, then do study well because education make your career on the top. Mobile phones is also useful for attend the online classes mostly, and mobile phones also useful for a businessman in this time.
The As we all know, the cyber crime is also increasing day by day, and the effect of the cyber crime is also affecting the social media platforms. So we have to be we have to be very aware towards the cyber crime and the cyber scams. There are so many scams are taking place nowadays, and we have to be very attentive towards the cyber crimes also. So use social media very carefully and in a very limited way.
Cause of education, there are many successful person are here. We can see many successful person like Elon Musk, and we can see uh, many person. If you want to become educated, then you have to be you have to do study well and more, because nowadays we see there are many students, they are not studying well, they are distracted by social media. If you want to become something, then do study and be educated and make you proud. English is the most important many jobs like police officer, engineer, doctor and etc. English gives us you more to more confidence. English gives us you knowledge. English help us you learn many new and good things.
So use social media in a very limited way and in a very useful way. Don't be habitual of using social media, and use in a proper way and a very useful way, by which you can earn money, and also don't be habitual of using social media.
Education is the one and only thing you can be successful. So do study well and gain education and knowledge.
Mobile phones disadvantages and advantages both are, and so we can use a mobile phone in a good way, and that's all.